Imagine you're over 60, standing at a crossroads in life. You've weathered decades of challenges, learned countless lessons, and carved out a life that's uniquely yours. You've built a career, raised a family, or perhaps you didn't, and gathered experiences that have shaped who you are. Now you're standing at this crossroads and society tells you one thing. You need someone, a partner, because at this stage in life, you're supposed to have settled down. But what if I told you that instead of following the well-worn path, you could take a different route? A path that's all about reclaiming your independence, your freedom, and your peace of mind. You see, being single after 60 might just be the most powerful choice you can make. Let's pause for a moment and ask yourself, how often do you hear people talk about relationships as the key to happiness? We've been programmed to think that partnerships are the ultimate form of fulfillment, that they are the pinnacle of success in life. But let's break that down. We're all told that when you hit a certain age, relationships should be a part of your equation. But what if they're not? What if, in fact, relationships are more of a trap than a source of joy and fulfillment after you reach your 60s? You see, a partner at any age comes with a set of responsibilities, emotional, physical, and mental. And these responsibilities multiply as you age. The question is, do you really want to carry that burden after everything you've worked for, after all the personal growth and the experiences you've accumulated? This isn't about closing yourself off to love, but rather about creating a space in your life where you can thrive on your own terms. Now, let's dive deeper into why staying single after 60 can be one of the most liberating choices you can make. Think about the freedom to choose. When you've lived through decades of life, the idea of having a partner who wants to make decisions for you or asks you to compromise every step of the way can feel like a burden. You've spent years carving out a rhythm, a routine that makes you feel at peace with yourself. The beauty of being single is that you don't have to consult anyone else. It's not selfish. It's your right. You want to travel to a new city? Do it. You want to take up a new hobby without someone questioning your choice? You can. Want to eat dinner at 5 p.m. or 10 p.m.? The choice is yours. Your life doesn't have to revolve around someone else's needs or preferences. This freedom is a precious gift. I want you to imagine something. Picture yourself waking up in the morning without a care in the world about anyone else's schedule or desires. No one is waiting for you to make breakfast. No one is asking you to drive them to work. You have the whole day ahead of you to create your own adventure. You decide how you spend every moment of that day. And guess what? That's empowerment. It's self-sufficiency at its finest. Now, you might be thinking, but what about companionship? Don't we need someone to share those moments with? That's a fair question. But here's the thing, companionship doesn't have to be a constant attachment. Just because you're not in a romantic partnership doesn't mean you're alone. You can have deep, meaningful relationships with friends, family, and even your community. The joy of companionship is about quality, not quantity. The beauty of being single is that you're free to build relationships that genuinely enrich your life without being emotionally drained by someone who demands your attention, your energy, and your time all the time. You can go out with friends, enjoy a conversation over dinner, or go for a walk in the park with someone who's just as passionate about life as you are. That connection is there, just not in the conventional, suffocating way that some partnerships can feel. Emotional energy as you age becomes a more precious commodity. You no longer have the same reservoir of emotional stamina that you had in your younger years. When you're in a relationship, especially as you get older, you're constantly giving of yourself. The ebb and flow of emotions, the negotiations, the ups and downs can be exhausting. And let's be honest here. After 60, your emotional well-being should be your top priority. The years ahead of you should be filled with peace, stability, and joy, not the emotional roller coaster that often comes with a relationship. You earn the right to guard your emotional space. Think about the times you felt drained after a difficult conversation, a disagreement, or a miscommunication in a relationship. That emotional drain takes its toll. And when you're older, you might find that it's harder to bounce back. You might not have the patience or the desire to engage in endless emotional labor. When you're single, you get to decide what's worth your energy and what isn't. You can choose how you react to situations, and you can surround yourself with people who lift you up rather than drain you. Now let's talk about personal growth. This is one of the most exciting reasons to embrace singlehood after 60. As we get older, we often feel like we've reached a plateau. There's nothing more to learn or explore. But that's simply not true. If anything, your 60s are a time to lean into personal growth more than ever before. When you're single, you have all the time in the world to invest in your own development. You can learn new skills, pick up new hobbies, take classes, or start a new career. So start a new career. You can read books that inspire you, or maybe even write a book of your own. The beauty of single life is that you are entirely in control of your own growth. You don't have to wait for a partner to push you to do something you're passionate about. You can dive deep into the areas that excite you, whether that's creativity, learning, or self-improvement. Your 60s can be a time for discovery, exploration, and true transformation. Many people live out their best years when they allow themselves to grow freely, unburdened by the expectations of others. Consider this, one of the most powerful tools in life is time. When you're in a relationship, you are often beholden to someone else's schedule, needs, and priorities. But being single means that you have the time to devote to yourself. Time to travel the world, time to discover your true passions, and time to do whatever your heart desires. This is where the concept of mental clarity becomes essential. As we age, we often become more attuned to the things that matter most in life. We become less concerned with what others think of us and more focused on the clarity of our thoughts and feelings. The freedom that comes with being single allows you to experience this mental clarity at its fullest. Without the distractions of a relationship, you can hear your own thoughts more clearly. You can reflect on your life without the influence of someone else's desires and opinions. You can connect deeply with your own values and create a vision for the future that aligns perfectly with who you are. This mental space is incredibly empowering. Health is another critical factor that often gets overlooked when it comes to relationships in later life. As we age, the body changes. We have different needs and we face new challenges. A partner can bring both joy and added stress. See guys, as much as love and companionship can be fulfilling, the responsibility of caring for another person can be taxing, particularly as you both age. You might find that you're spending more time focusing on your partner's health issues or taking care of their emotional needs instead of your own. When you're single, you're in charge of your health. You can focus on your fitness, your diet, and your mental well-being without the distractions of a relationship. You have the space to nurture your own health in the way that suits you best. And as you get older, there's no greater gift than the ability to prioritize your health without any outside influence. Here's the bottom line. Your independence at this stage in life is not just a luxury. It's a necessity. It's the foundation for your future happiness, peace of mind, and personal fulfillment. You've worked hard to get where you are, and you deserve to reap the rewards of that effort. Whether it's your physical health, your emotional well-being, or your mental clarity, staying single after 60 gives you the freedom to design a life that suits your needs and desires. Life doesn't stop when you hit 60. In fact, it's just the beginning of a new, exciting chapter. You have the opportunity to live life on your own terms, to define your own success, and to choose what truly makes you happy. There's no rush to get into a relationship or to meet someone else's expectations. The most important thing is to stay true to yourself, to protect your independence, and to live in a way that honors your values, your health, and your dreams. So, take a moment and think about your future. Picture the kind of life you want to lead in the years ahead. What does it look like? What does it feel like? If you're over 60, it's your time to take control, embrace your independence, and celebrate the freedom that comes with being single. It's your life. Live it the way you choose.